Well, we're here at Manask Isaac Architects office, and we're an architectural and engineering firm that specializes in designing green buildings, both new buildings and reimagining existing buildings. We really focus on creating buildings that are healthy for people and the planet. So we create buildings that are delightful, that are places that people love to be. We try to create buildings that tread lightly on the planet. Of course, we realize that you have to practice what you preach. On the energy front, we've reduced our footprint quite a bit. We definitely reduce our amount of heat used and cooling. We don't have that. And our solar panels generate electricity. We encourage people to walk or bike to work or take LRT or transit or buses. We do that by charging for parking and making bus passes free. We of course have a bike room and showers. We actually as a firm have an office bike that people can borrow or sign out if they need a bike to use for a couple of hours. If people need to go out to a meeting or to go do some errands, then we have a smart car that enables them to go do that during the day. We're really concerned with people's health and well-being. We have a yoga studio. This past winter we did a major renovation of it and we used a bunch of recycled hardwood flooring. Our studios have been replanned to be able to create an activity-based workplace. Individual workstations are less the focus and collaborative space is more the focus, so people have more of a variety of different places that they're working during the course of the day. As a result, we're able to comfortably and enjoyably fit a lot more people into the same amount of space. So we've made much better use of the space that we have. It creates a good environment for collaboration.
We're here today at B&B Demolition's head location here in Edmonton. B&B Demolition, plain and simple, is a family-run organization. We've been in business for 15 years and we pride ourselves on providing superior service to clients all across northern Alberta. We do residential, commercial, and industrial demolition. Demolition residentially often includes the full structural demolition of a house or a garage. Commercial spaces are typically interior. You see them in malls or strip malls, commercial retail units. B&B specializes in those kinds of units. We strip them down to what's called gray box, so it's just 4 gray walls when we walk away. Industrial projects get quite big and they include interior and exterior demolitions. The biggest and most environmentally friendly thing that we do is recycle the majority of what we demolish. A lot of people don't realize that if you separate the material, it can all go to separate recycling facilities, be it wood, drywall, steel, any kind of metal, and white goods like washing machines and refrigerators need to be taken special care of. B&B takes the extra time to separate their materials. We can recycle up to 80% of any structure that we demolish. Secondly to that, there are other ways that we have scrubbers installed in all of our equipment so that particulate matter is decreased with diesel fumes. Environmentally friendly equipment like the battery operated floor scrapers that we have are clean enough to work in hospitals because they don't have any emissions. They run completely on electricity. The City of Edmonton is putting a mandate in that they want to see businesses become eco-friendly. We need to see our businesses make a commitment to being eco-friendly.
Today we're here at EcoAmmo. I am one of the principals and industrial designer here at EcoAmmo. We transition people towards sustainability to provide them with solutions so that they know how to meet their sustainability goals. A local example is a project that we worked on for Habitat for Humanity. It's a precast concrete home. It is set to be LEED for Home certified as well as net zero energy. It has the goal of having good indoor air quality as well as high energy efficiency. A lot of us walk to work. The people that do drive hybrids or high efficiency cars like myself. I drive a smart car. We chose to lease a space in a building that has solar panels on it, but in addition to that we also utilize bullfrog power. We do have high efficiency lighting. We also have high efficiency heating and cooling in this building and taps that are high efficiency for water consumption. We actually have quite a low amount of waste in this office and a lot of the waste that we do generate is recycled first, composted if it falls in that compost zone, so our energy consumption is quite low. We implemented a chit system where it's just simply on the wall. If you do a task, you put a token into that. So if you drove to work, if you walked to work, you put a little token in either of those systems. We're really excited that we won this award this year. It allows us to celebrate the successes that we've had so far and encourages us to do more.
Other companies need to apply for awards like these because it encourages them to innovate. It encourages them to be better not only for their customer, not only for themselves, but for the community in general.
Start with baby steps. Start and just do something. Do whatever you can think of. If you want to change out your light bulbs, change your light bulbs. If you want to start by composting, start by composting. Whatever you can think of that you think you can implement, start.
If you're going to implement any of these items, you should make sure that you start small first, have some little successes, and then move on to the big things.